I am sure everybody likes roast chicken. So when you roast the chicken, there are so many ways of roasting. So this roasted chicken which I am doing with the skin. With the skin I am taking, but when you serve, you can remove the skin off. So the chicken which I have taken only a part of it, one half of it, so that you can do the whole chicken or half of it. The chicken I have taken with the skin on. Now what I am going to do is, I have just released a bit of the skin and I am using a little salt, turmeric, pepper and rosemary. Rosemary, the dry herb. Nicely inside, massage it well so that it goes very well inside. Then outside also we put the same thing, pepper, salt, turmeric, we could use it. All that we put, nicely mix it up. I am going to put into an oven proof tray with the foil on so that the chicken is put. I have got coriander leaves. You can see I have taken coriander leaves, mint leaves and celery. All these which you just take it, break it up into pieces and just tuck it in. We need all that goes into the chicken very well. Over this also I am going to put those so that it gives a better flavor and taste. Along with that, I am taking onions with the skin, and garlic with the skin. Just crush it, break it with the skin. Tomatoes if you like, all that is done. If you prefer, I always prefer to use a little orange also. Just squeeze it up, put a little orange, squeeze it, put the orange skin also. Apple, red and green apple. Now what I am going to do is a bit of oil, pour it. There is oil in the skin, so we don't need much oil, but still we can use a little bit of oil. And what do I do now? Roast it. Bake this chicken for 200 centigrades or 400 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. If it doesn't get nicely brown, another 5 or 10 minutes you can extra keep it and bake and take it. Then you can see how the roast chicken is. Bake for 40 minutes, or I told you extra another 5 or 10 minutes, and once it's baked you can take it off. It's hot. Take this. Of course you can bake a whole chicken or like this, half of it. It's not a problem. Put it onto a tray, and all these which we have roasted could be taken to serve with that. It has a better flavor and taste also in this, because something different to the normal preparation. We put apple, orange, onions, garlic, coriander leaves, mint leaves, celery, all that. And of course serve with salad leaves, and of course with more salad such as tomatoes, gherkins. It's nice to see like this coming out. Parsley, little more seasoning should come into this. A little more pepper, salt, add it into that. I hope you will enjoy preparing this type of preparation, that is the roast chicken, either whole or half chicken, whatever you want. It is something different to the normal preparation. So hope you will enjoy using dinner buns.